Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel PCM with Isuraj Gupta. This is Pankaj Gupta. Today I am going to start profit and loss. So let us start without delay. Okay dears, first of all CP. CP means cost price and SP means selling price. At which price an article is bought is called its cost price, and at which price an article is sold is called its selling price. इट मीन्स डैट कि जिस प्राइस पे हम किसी आर्टिकल्स को परचेज करते हैं, बॉट करते हैं, डैट इज़ नोन एज कॉस्ट प्राइस, एंड जिस प्राइस पे हम किसी आर्टिकल्स को सेल करते हैं डैट इज़ नोन एज सेलिंग प्राइस. तो नाउ राइट इम्पोर्टेंट फार्मूला. ठीक से इम्पोर्टेंट फार्मूला. ओके, फर्स्ट नंबर एस पी इज़ ग्रेटर देन सी पी. इट मीन्स किसी आर्टिकल्स का कॉस्ट प्राइस कम हो उसके सेलिंग प्राइस से. इट मीन्स कि सेलिंग प्राइस इज ग्रेटर देन कॉस्ट प्राइस. तो इन दिस केस वी हैव गेन. गेन इक्वल टू एस पी माइनस सी पी. ओके, एंड सेकेंड इज गेन परसेंट. गेन परसेंट इक्वल टू गेन बाय में सी पी इंटू 100%. दिस इज योर गेन परसेंट. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड नंबर से when SP is less than CP, it means कि cost price is greater. तो in this case we have loss, and loss equal to CP minus SP, and loss percent equal to loss by में CP into 100%. Now third number, when CP and gain percent or loss percent is given, then first number SP equal to okay, तो 100 प्लस गेन परसेंट बाय में CP इंटू बाई 100 into CP. okay, second number SP equal to, in case of loss percent, 100 minus loss percent by में 100 into CP. now fourth formula number, when SP and gain percent or loss percent is given, then first number CP equal to 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP, and B number से CP equal to 100 minus 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. well dear, आपने यहाँ देखा होगा कि when we take gain percent, तो it comes with plus sign in case of SP also, in case of CP also. okay, gain percent come with plus sign, loss percent come with minus sign. is it clear? in this case also minus loss percent when we have to find out SP, and when we have to find out CP again we have minus loss percent. okay, suppose S for a sky, sky as a up. तो in this case SP के केस में, in this case of SP as a denominator we have 100 plus gain percent and 100 minus loss percent, and in case of CP core, okay, core CORE, core, center part of earth is known as core. it means कि डाउन साइड ऑफ द अर्थ. तो in case of CP as a denominator we have plus gain percent और loss percent. is it clear? तो इस प्रकार से अगर कंपेयर करके ये दोनों चारों फार्मूला अगर हम याद रखते हैं तो वी हैव लर्न इट. ओके, नाउ कम टू एक्सरसाइज. ओके डियर, वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द गेन और लॉस परसेंट when SP is equal to ₹620 and SP equal to 713. Okay, so now start a number. Okay, here what you say कि cost price is rupees 620 and selling price is rupees 713. So in this case this one is greater, it means कि SP is greater than CP, then we have gain. So now apply formula, gain equal to SP minus CP. Now rupees 713 minus rupees 620, subtraction of these two becomes 93. Okay, after that we have to find gain percent also. So gain percent equal to gain by my CP into 100%. So putting the value of gain is 93 and cost price is 620 into 100%. First of all 0 to 0 cancel out. After that from the table of 31 it is cancel out from 2 times, it is cancel out from 3 times. Rupees to rupees cancel, 2 के table से this one 10 cancel out from 5 times. So 3 5 जा 15% is your gain. Okay, now B number. In case of B, here CP equal to rupees 675, SP equal to rupees 630. Which one is greater? So there is no doubt कि cost price is greater. The CP is greater than SP. So in this case we have loss. Okay, the loss equal to CP minus SP. So CP is rupees 675 minus rupees 630. So subtraction of these two becomes 45. Okay, after that we have to find loss percent. Okay dear, now we have loss equal to 75 and cost price is rupees 675. So now find out loss percent equal to, you know formula, loss percent equal to loss by CP into 100. So your loss is 45 rupees 45 by my rupees 675 into 100. First of all rupees to rupees cancel. After that from the table of 25 it is cancelled out from 4 times and it is cancelled out from 2 times 50. From the table of 25 2 times में 50, then after 175 it's a 7 times में. After that from the table of 9 it is cancelled out from 3 times and it is cancelled out from 5 times. Okay, so 5 4 is 20 by 3%, it becomes 6 upon 2 by 3%. Thank you dears for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel.